Sometimes you just have to build a little fire pit, and this is it. Nothing fancy, nothing too bossy, but chicken off a jerk. Now this bird seasoned and put on for 3 days before it touching the grill, so the season has soaked in completely. And we also did a little brine for around 2 days before that. You can actually now start to smell the pimento and all the flavors, the aroma starts to come out as the fire starts to sizzle on that chicken. We're going to smother that jerk sauce on that chicken one more time so all that flavor just melts in there and gets in every corner and every crevice. Now this chicken's been on the grill for about an hour and 15 minutes. Remember, the flame is extremely low and we have the grill raised high so that it cooks very slow. We don't want to get all of that moisture that we have in the chicken and take it out on a high flame or burn it. We want it to slow cook till it comes out looking like this.